Today I'll show how to buy shares of Patriot National Bancorp Inc. Step by step. Patriot National Bancorp Inc. is a regional banking company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker PNBK, and this is an educational demonstration, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. We'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will usually need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds to be able to buy shares. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker PNBK to locate the listing. Confirm you select the Patriot National Bancorp Inc. entry on NASDAQ. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to ensure this is the correct stock. Check the listing shows NASDAQ and ticker PNBK before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when it opens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the order is placed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the example eToro link in the description for reference.